the other day. Na no magithiete wega.
Na ndiraigua ni manongereirwo ni wiki imwe. Ni magoha. Aria mataripotete ni undu wa challenge ya there.
Yes. Magoha sana magoha. They can take a little bit while they still come to school. Because they did to come to school. The government wants 100% transition. There were some upstarts. And me home wakora modo ciori. Inyo mwina culture shock ya guka secondary. Ana tato ire kou.
Na ni mono nake.
Yes. One wakora andu agicagigia kwao akuyo the mathomagira kundu kuriku
cukuru iyo.
He is at home. Yes. Weko ure. Orare na ni ari popular. Ginya tanoga ko. Wakora ginya ari mureu ni maramumenya.
Ndi murokire.
Yes. Okay, Warrior. Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Stand up, young man. Are you the Waweru? No, you were there.
Niwe Waweru.
Are you the Waweru? Yes, sir. Okay, I see you. You can sit down. Mukaba mukangura guoya.
Mwalimu ni amuwe.
Why? The dude is popular. We from one. No, already within the first 3 weeks. Nigirite drama club. Naka ikirio thini wa trip iri radio ne club kigira bakoroko school ne mix ni araria na mairetu ma form 3 no korane ni aramathekia ni maraiguana
inyo mweka kuni ne kanyu ka mono
oye mukona audition ni aretuo yairetu form 3 wabesh come ukaribu okay tukwihe miaka igana tukinye haru hagwetekirika goko kwa juthu eki mundu wako na ndi mwigira cukuru oguo already ona ni etua riu kiranja wa darasa
ni kuri me impose gata prefect
yes
ona utari mutakiri munajiriria maundu formally
ndio
gigetua uguo nikio prefect
oh yes mwalimu akingira oguo ri nikiramenya arimu othe akaruta ibuku wega ria kirathi kia mwalimu ucio na auga good morning class na akauga good morning Mr. Karaja.
Who is this?
You mugira good morning very
very polite.
Wakora bali aruta ifuku riri agireire inye murutire mafuku ma chemistry na ni mwalimu wa basic. Okay, take out your physics book. He has his ways around. Ni prefect.
Ginya niwe uwi na ni hindi mwalimu tibomu wana.
Yes.
Niwe ginya kuria service ya kirathi korago.
Exactly. Una ni kwa ni kuigwa can one of you volunteer to correct the books kia roga igoro shwi. Kama yake me yakoje guko kimegagirira
mwalimu akori you know where my office is.
Yes.
Yes sir.
Take them to my desk in the staff room.
Amenyeire ku
nuke kora de kimundu kiu you are in form 1 and a confidence ya kurugama staff room no staff room warugama hali agatagati ginya reu mwalimu uria uroka kuona akwire approach where are you confidently athiete desk ine ya mwalimu ucio excuse me Mr. Karaja, here are the books you had asked for. Thank you, Waweru. Good boy, good boy. You are a very intelligent young man. Then you must say, "Hauja." We will begin. We will come to get a. Why get staff room? Harasso. Do you take a yard? You were walking a cool, not talking with a mouth. When I work on the stand of you, no, joking a one. Well, okay, when I'm one Muhammad, Echo area. Class teacher, why get the stop there. Why are you not tucking in your shirt? Kiss your gum, eh?
Ukakoria mwalimu. Hawa ndio walikuwa wanapigana.
Hawa ndio walikuwa wanaleta fujo kule. Na ulitandika. Hawa usipotandika hii ni mang'aa ya Nyakahura hii. Anajulikana huko ni mang'aa. Riu wakora uyu celeb wa kirathi kinya ni aratuikania irathi uguo akigeithanagia na o kirathi ni oi andu aiganona ukarigwo kai mundu aratura Facebook
karari panel-ini ya admission
I mean mona mweso kanairia hamwe kaharo-ini ri he's meandering and hovering around ni egothi kwiingiria muthako-ini wa form 4 wa mubira no kora ni ikirio mubira agapepeta is agacokia
ndakiri na magodi baba
we oro hutia there are some people who are powerful and influential kumo mari wanini
ndo form 1
yes
na girofu balbu ya kirathi ni ngeire na ngia confidence ya guthi kwa deputy principal ku report hege balbu itarona
exactly na ni ya wira wa kuhura blackboard ya ihora wesia basi ni makehura macira makora
no don't you they love the power
they love the trappings of power faredia viaye faga hali ya bere yes hali ya bere piu confident
no ni mathia makagururukwo ni maundu
yes
mwangianjiriria mutaratara ri class teacher gagiuka akimumenya inyuothe angio ni tukwenda class rep ni akoraga ni aganirwo na gituro hau gia prefect ugacagurwo another lightweight ojo lightweight was agorwo ri his biggest headache he had these celebrities tore ni ale mone kurumirira watho ri you go to the other side of the law atuike mutongoria wa mbutu ndegani
ikwaje mwandike na ismaker the times 2 he will deal with you ena mbogi ni ugucakithia andu popularity yaku edwindu ndio no giyukia getirwo no mwaka wethe support base bagoons man ni ora control goons
gukio fume siasa ide
mukiri tuona ena ginya blood dryer ya kwe blood dryer ne form 1 influential aradi ile tu form maroka kumuthaitha saidia blood dryer yake atone gaba ya ithani na kuria maisha
eva ijaga na reka 37 na mugwanja